Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming two prerequisites: accurate system time and network stability, because SSL depends on both. First, fix the clock if it's off and reboot Chrome. Once done, open an incognito window to rule out extensions. If you use VPN or antivirus with HTTPS scanning, disable it briefly and attempt the page again. This helps you identify whether interception is causing the privacy error. Make sure to document changes, so now you examine the certificate chain and Chrome's handling of SSL. Click the padlock, view the certificate issuer and expiration. If it's untrusted or mismatched, that explains the error. Clear the SSL state in System Settings and empty Chrome's cache, then update Chrome so known bugs are patched. If you're on public Wi-Fi, check for a captive portal or router-based TLS inspection by trying another network. This narrows down whether the issue is local or server-side. Finish by applying targeted fixes and knowing when to stop. If you trust the site, use the Advanced Proceed option temporarily, but do not on banking or sensitive sites. Export the certificate and share it with the site administrator or help desk so they can fix server configuration or renew TLS. If the problem remains, create a fresh Chrome profile or reinstall Chrome to remove corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if everything else fails, test in a different browser and capture the error for support. That quickly reveals whether Chrome is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.